Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. This is different from deleting because deactivation is temporary so that you can come back anytime. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application or your web browser and search for facebook.com. Over here, you need to sign in into that particular account of yours which you want to deactivate. Now over here, tap on these three lines or your profile in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on the option of this gear icon in order to come in the settings of your device. Over here, tap on the option of account center, then scroll down and select the option of personal details. Over here in your personal details, the fourth option would be of account ownership and control. So here, if you tap on this option, it is going to redirect you here on the second page where you will see the deactivation and the deletion option. So if you tap on it and select your Facebook profile, you are going to see the deactivated account option in front of you. Now, if you select this option, your account will be deactivated, but you will be able to retrieve it anytime you want. So tap on the option of continue here in the bottom. Now, it is going to show you all of the pages that are available on your profile. So if you want them to deactivate too, simply press the continue option here in the bottom. Now, it is going to ask you to enter your password associated with your account again. So you need to enter that, and on the next page you need to confirm the deactivation of your account. You will be logged out of your Facebook application and you will no longer be able to access your account. Now if you want to log in, you just have to provide your login credential and fill out some of the details in order to reactivate it. But this is how you can deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.